Hello, so for this next one, I'm going to show you four belts that I made. These ones I didn't make with belt loops. I just made like regular ones, so I'll show you them. So this one, you just gotta go around, put it around your waist, and then you just tie it, and then you just go like that. So this one I do gotta tuck in the ends, so it could be like that, or you could actually use it as a scarf, like that. So this one you can actually use as a scarf. So that's one. And then I made this one because I had some yarn left over for making, I can't remember what I made, but this one you can use as a scarf too. So this one I had some white and some pink left over, so I decided to do this cute little design. So you could just go like this, or you could actually go like this. So you could use it as a scarf, or you can even use it as what I intended it to be, and that was a belt. So you just go like this. It will brighten up any dress or shirts. And then I actually have this one because I bought this yarn on sale, and so I thought it was pretty. So just like before, you could use this one as a scarf. You can jazz up a black dress, or you can use it for a nice scarf. And then the last one I made was this nice purple. So this purple yarn, I actually had some left over from making my pocket scarf. So I thought it would be nice. So you can use it this way, or you could just use it as a belt. Most of these belts are either gonna be like either 1 inch to 2 inches wide, and so I think these came out perfect. Thank you.